gorgeous. Another day, another vlog. I don't know what we're doing today, to be honest. I know for sure we're going to go eat brunch. You guys for sure have to be tired of seeing me eat brunch. I know, it has to be annoying. I'll make it quick this time, I promise. I do want to stop by that Zara or by Zara to see if they have one of those blazers I was telling you about in my last vlog. We're not gonna go to the one in Jersey because I don't know if we want to go that far, but there are tons of Zaras in New York, so in the city, so we'll find something here. Yeah, so I don't know exactly what we're doing, but I know those two things are on the schedule, if you will. It's supposed to rain today, so this might be a short-lived vlog, and I might, you know, piece vlogs together as I do. But yeah, guys, let's see what happens. And as always, I'm so glad to have you along with me. That was delicious. As you saw, I only ate half, even though I wanted to eat all of it. I'm really trying to stay on track here. Spring and summer is coming. I like the idea of saving my points until the weekend, eat like stupid, crazy healthy, and on the weekend I have one cheat meal. Not a cheat weekend, just a cheat meal. So that was completely worth it. It has started to rain. So being outside is not the option. However, believe it or not, we have to go to Staten Island. Don't ask me why. It's very strange. If you're from New York, you know Staten Island is just far away from everybody else. So yeah, we're gonna go to Staten Island and take care of some business in the rain to just, I don't know what I was gonna say, but I'm gonna keep talking. I'm just gonna keep talking. So we took care of what we had to take care of in Staten Island, and while we were out here, we figured we would try the Staten Island Mall. Yeah, let's see what they're talking about. This is not the best Zara, so I'm not expecting to find what I need, but we shall see. And they have the blazer, but they have extra small and a small. No medium, no large. So, yeah. Hey girl, hey. I have some things to do today, you guys, and I'm getting ready for it. So I'm just going to talk to you about some things while I'm getting ready. I struggle with my weight often, and I recently just tried something on that I thought would fit, and it does. As I have been good. I have been following my Weight Watchers points. I've been exercising, and I've been doing everything that you are supposed to do. Well, apparently I haven't been doing it enough because I'm still not where I want to be. During the holidays, I gained some of the weight that I lost, and now I'm trying to get back there so that I could finish off losing what I was losing. So anyway, I have been intermittent fasting since the beginning of this whole panty. I thought that it wasn't working. I looked at an old video of me, one of my old YouTube videos from about a year ago, from the beginning of this whole thing, and I noticed such a big difference between my face. Now it looks slimmer. I don't know, somehow I look younger, and that just goes to show that slow and steady wins the race. Now, while I am devastated that I'm not where I'm supposed to be, because if you're the kind of person that struggles with your weight, you know how devastating it is to go up and down, up and down. Though I'm not where I am, where I think I'm supposed to be, I know that I've made progress. I'm gonna put a picture up or a video up of from my face at the beginning. Ooh, Come on, skin. I'm gonna put a video up of me from the beginning of the pandemic and then like side by side of more recently, and I could tell how much my face has changed. Now, it has been a long time. I feel like it's taking a long time for the weight to come off, but I just have to be patient, and really slow and steady wins the race. I've lost weight many times quickly and it came back, so that's not what I need to do now. I need patience, I need to be consistent, and I need to do this for my health. Honestly, part of it is for vanity reasons, I'm gonna be honest, but the other part is I carry a lot of my weight in my midsection. Like my mom, when she needs to lose a few pounds, it's everywhere, and she still has a small waist. She's still shaped like this. Me, in the middle, it's a no bueno. So I need to do it because when you carry weight around your midsection, you're more likely to get different diseases. And I am in my 30s, and I want to make sure by the time I'm in my 40s, 50s, 60s, and so on, that I am still kicking and live and everything. My grandmother was in her 70s and she was just traveling around Europe like like she was in her 30s and her 20s and her 40s. So I need to make sure that I am still like that. So anyway, that was my mini breakdown. I'm gonna finish getting dressed and I will see you out in New York City in a moment. So we just had brunch and I forgot to film most of it, but honestly, you guys, you've seen me eat millions of times. We're on our way to a store, Room and Board, right? We're going first to a furniture store called Room and Board. You guys have that where you live? Anyway, we went to look for a new couch. The couch we have right now is from Crate and Barrel, and the last two couches we had were Crate and Barrel, and they keep breaking. So we're looking for something different. Anyway, we're gonna take you along, and yeah. We need all new stuff for our kitchen. The stuff that we have for our kitchen, like our cups and everything, we've had since we've been married, and we've been married a long time, and they did not hold up well. And now I feel like we want like grown-up stuff. Like these, I like the color. Just don't know how comfortable they would be. I think they're cute though. I actually haven't been into an H&M physically in a long time because I've been ordering offline. But as you and I both know, ordering off of H&M takes 3 years to get your order. So I'm gonna go in to H&M and see if they have anything that I like. Come on, y'all. Tell me I didn't tell you about color blocking. Go watch that trend video. I'm telling you. Hey, so you guys, it was such a nice day out and it's getting nicer. So the morning, hopefully it stays, but the morning bike rides are back. If you were watching my old vlogs, like the beginning of the panty, I was going on a morning bike ride for exercise, for self-care, every morning, and I love it, and I missed it. I miss it so much. As soon as it got cold, I even went through the fall, but as soon as it got too cold, I hightailed my butt right back inside, and I've been working out inside. But I am just so excited for it to be warm and just to be out and riding a bike. So, can we talk? I know that some people feel awkward or they don't like when I talk about weight loss and weight, and I understand because it's a tricky subject. However, I do feel like it is necessary because I know when I'm trying to lose weight or when I felt like I was alone, it was always nice to know that someone else was going through it too. One of the things that I actually want for this channel is for it to be more than just a fashion and beauty channel. If you watched my vlog about Get to Know Me, you know that not only am I a FIT, a fashion school graduate, I also am a school teacher, or was a school teacher, and a counselor. So all three of those things are very important to me and have a special place in my heart. When you're a teacher, and if you are a teacher, I don't know where you are, but when you're a teacher here in New York City, you learn about how to educate the whole child, which pretty much means not just their mind, but their soul, and just their feelings, and acknowledging every part of the whole child. And I would actually kind of like to use that as a blueprint for this channel, in that I would like to feed the whole woman, whether it's our fashion, luxury or not, whether it's our beauty, luxury or not, what we go through as women, as weight loss, or how we feel about ourselves. And I just feel like there is so much that we can cover, and maybe not in single videos, but in vlogs we could talk about it, and I could give you some of my insight into what I've had to go through. Right now I'm dealing with weight and if you ever had to lose weight or gain weight or whatever your weight situation is, you know what comes along with that. But yeah, I really want more than just the fashion and beauty, and even though that's a huge part, because let's be honest, honey, fashion. Right? With that fashion and beauty comes a lot of other issues and ideas. Just that when we see fashion and we see beauty, these people, like in the media or even on social media, they usually look a certain way, and that certain way is not most of us. So and anyway, yeah, I'm rambling now, but I just wanted you to know that I will be talking about some things and how it relates to beauty. How it relates to women, sorry. For many, many years, I have dreamed of having like a digital space or a digital magazine or something along those lines, where all women's issues are talked about. High fashion, regular fashion, beauty, weight loss, like I was telling about, all the things that women go through. And I've always wanted to be like the destination, like your online destination for all thing women, Anyway, let's see how that works out. But yeah, guys, that's it. I am so happy it's warm outside. I'm rambling. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.